Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb lay down and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb lay down is to state officially what someone must do or how they must do it. You can also hear the idiom lay down the law, used in relation to this meaning. The government have a meeting to discuss a review of taxes. It won't be easy, but we need to be firm and lay down exactly what we expect in the long run. On their first class, the lecturer touches on what he expects from everyone. I want you all to take note of the standard I've laid down and expect from you all for the semester. The woman is feeling overwhelmed as her children walk all over her. She speaks to her friend about it. I know it can be hard sometimes, but you really need to lay down the law with them. They need to know who's boss. Meaning two of lay down is to produce something that is stored and gradually increases. The man excessively ate over the holiday period. I constantly overate and I put on a lot of weight. All the surplus was laid down as fat. The college student has high hopes for the future. I'm doing an unpaid internship while I sit my course. This way, I am laying down the foundations for my future success. So let's look back on what we covered. Lay down can mean to state officially what someone must do or how they must do it. The company lay down their policies very clearly when onboarding new staff. He laid down the law to his wife after she spent their savings. To produce something that is stored and gradually increases. When I invested years into education, I laid down the groundwork for a life I could build on. Where did you hear the phrasal verb lay down? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.